In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter, and it is about syntax. And syntax, I told you that it is the study of the structure of the sentence, that how a sentence is structured. Today, the topic which I have brought for you in the same chapter, it is how to draw a tree structure for a compound words or for compound words. Remember that one by one I told you that there are 5 phrases which have their own heads. And then I also drew the structure of those phrases. And then I told you that conjunction does not have its own head. That's why we have a separate tree diagram or structure for it in a sentence. Now, there is just one question and one portion is left, and that is how to deal with the compound words. What would be the tree diagram or the tree structure of the compound words? So be with me and listen to this from beginning until end. First of all, let me tell you about compound words. What are compound words, or what is the definition of compound words, and how compound words have been divided. And after that, I will come how to deal with the compound words syntactically. Listeners and audience, you know, we have 3 types of compound words. The first one, that is called closed compound. Secondly, that is open compound. And thirdly, that is hyphenated compound. A compound is the combination of 2 words which is formed just a single word. So the combination of 2 words in order to make a single word is called compound word. And there are 3 types of compound words. The first one, that is called closed compound. Closed compound is a compound which is formed with a combination of 2 words without space between them. For example, we have a word blackbird. Blackbird, it is compound word. Like black is one word and bird is another. But the combination of these 2, they are formed one word, that is blackbird. Take the example of Facebook. Okay? Face is one word which is noun. Book is another word that is also noun. But with the combination of these 2, one word is formed, that is Facebook. We also have handbook, etc. Now, what is open compound? Open compound is the combination of 2 words which is formed a single word. And without space, there is space between them. Yes, I'm repeating. Open compound is a compound which is formed with the combination of 2 words, but there is a little space between them. For example, we have note, which is one word, and we have book, it is another word. However, it is compound word, and there is a little space between them. Okay. There are a lot of words you may have. Just I wrote one example. Take the example of another compound word. What is hyphenated compound? Hyphenated compound is a compound which is formed with the combination of 2 words or 3 words, and there is hyphen between them. For example, take the example of bodybuilder. Body is one word and builder is another. Okay, bodybuilder. So it is compound word. So I have already discussed this. It is just to remind you that you know about compound words. Now, come to our main topic, that is how to deal with compound words. Let's listen items syntactically. If you're talking about the tree diagram, remember that if there are two words or three words given in a compound words, it will be or they will be considered one word. It means that compound words which are just in a grouping form, they will be considered just one word. For example, you see Facebook, notebook, bodybuilder, or blackbird. So this blackbird, it is just one word. It is a name of a bird. It does not mean that now it is black and that is bird, and they are two and they are considered plural. No, plural. Sorry. So they are not plural. It is just one word, blackbird. Take the example of notebook. Now these two are not plural. We call it a single word. Notebook, just singular word. Okay. Same the example of bodybuilder. Body is one word, builder is another. But now it is compound word. We call it just one word. Bodybuilder. Okay. So, how to deal with it syntactically or with the sentence structure or tree diagram? We will take it as just NP, one singular word or one single word. For example, see, I'm writing a sentence. The female blackbird, the female blackbird is not a blackbird. I'm repeating the sentence. The female blackbird is not a blackbird. Let me draw the tree diagram of it that you know it practically. You know, in a sentence we have as, which means sentence, and syntax or syntactic diagram we have NP. NP means noun phrase, and VP, which means verb phrase. Now in NP we have article, that is ART, the, and then we have blackbird, that is NP. We take it as a singular verb, NP. Yes, so it is only N now. And what is female? It is adjective, adjective praise. It means adjective praise, and it is A mean adjective. Okay, after that you may take it as a capital one for avoiding confusion. Then we have VP. VP means verb phrase. So here as is auxiliary verb, not auxiliary verb. Here it is linking verb, but we are taking it as a verb. We. Okay, not, it is negation. Okay, and EG means neg or negation. Now we are taking another NP from VP, which means noun praise. What we have in NP? In NP we have O, which is article, and we have also AP, adjective praise, that is A, and verb, that is what? That is noun. So listeners and audience, to make it short, we take a separate NP, or we consider it is a only singular N. So that's why either they are three words or two words, we will take it only a singular word, then we will not confused with the compound words. So hope that this topic is clear to you.